Probstats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with week 16 Wednesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. All right, so when I saw you guys on Tuesday, we actually went over this worksheet right here. I'm going to take a little bit of time to kind of go over the answers with you guys. The true or false ones are not too difficult, so I'm going to go ahead and skip this part, but I want to go over the repetitive, nearest neighbor concept. Okay, so then we have 4 points. So n equals 4. Okay, so our first one, let's start off with A. So A, the closest route in the situation is either AB, AD, or AC. And so as I look into this, I can see that probably AD will be best because it's 52. Then from B, I can go to, or AD, not B. From AD, I can go to B or to C. So I'm going to go to B because 58. And then from B, I need to go down to C, which is 133. And then from that, I go back to A, which is 75. So then I'm going to go ahead and add everything together, which is 52 plus 58 plus 133 plus 75. And that gives me 318. Then let's take a look at B. Okay, so I'm going to erase everything here. So if my starting point here is going to be at B, my nearest route is going to be to D, which is at 58. Then from 58, I'm going to go to A, which is 52. And then from A, I am going to B. Well, actually can't go because I already went to B. I'm going to go to C, which is 75. And then from C, go back to B, which is 133. So add everything together. Okay, now let's take a look from the perspective of C. So starting at C, I can either go CB, CA, or CD, which I'm going to go to D because that's 68. And then from D, I can go to A, B. So I'm going to go to A, which is 52. And then from A, I'm going to go over to B, which is 61. And then from B, I'm going to go back to C, which is 133. $314. Okay, last one is going to be D. So from D, I can go to A, B, or C. So I'm going to go to A. From A, I can go to B or C, which I'm going to go to B because that's the cheapest, 61. From B, I can either go to C. Actually, that's the only one I can go to. And then from C, I'm going to go to D. So 52, 61, 133, 168. All right, so the least expensive route in the situation is right here. And this is your answer. Okay. So today you guys actually have an assessment which looks like this right here. If you don't have the actual copy of this, you can go ahead and grab it. It's from week 16 Wednesday. Questions 1 to 13 are multiple choice. Questions 14 to 28 are also multiple choice. So you can go ahead and pause the video and answer the questions 1 to 28 on a separate piece of paper. Here is 1 to 13. You do not need to go ahead and write down the questions. Just give me the answers and upload it onto MS Teams. All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.